Welcome back
to our channel.
I am Scientist Daddy. This is Scientist
Josi.
What do we got today, Scientist Josie?
Volcano.
Volcano eruptions. What we need, a volcano model. Do we have a volcano model? Yeah. Okay.
I can brush it off.
So check. Do we have baking soda?
Chucky.
This one is baking soda. Check. Do we have citric acid? Check. Do we have red pigment? Check. Do we have measuring spoons? 2.5 milliliter. Check. And do we have dig tools? Check. If you guys recognize this, that was from our very first science experiment. So if you guys want to see us create crystals at home, go and check out our first video.
Yeah.
Let's take off the plastic. Scientific principle. The baking soda in the experiment is alkaline and the citric acid is acidic. And the two react to produce large amounts of gas and bubbles, giving off heat and producing the eruption. So when we do this, we can't touch it because it's going to be very, very hot. So steps: prepare measuring cup and pour in 30 milliliters of water. So we're going to get 30 milliliters of water. I'm going to go measure that for us with our handy dandy pot right here. So 30 milliliters of water. Oops, a little bit landed down there. So we got that. Add 10 drops of the red pigment. I'm gonna add in 10 drops. 1, go ahead. That's it. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's what I was afraid of. Okay, 10 drops of red pigment. It's okay, stir it all up. We need to excavate the crater with tools to widen and deepen the crater.
Is there any way to fast forward?
We're gonna put a spoonful of both the citric acid and the baking soda.
The baking soda.
First things first, we have to go ahead. We have to find 2.5 milliliters. Quiet, quiet, quiet. This. A little bit spilled down. It's gonna be okay, I think. Okay. So there's that. Now, the next thing that we do is we use the baking soda. Same amount, 2.5 milliliters. Okay, so we're gonna go just put the baking soda just like this.
Oh my gosh,
It's okay. It's okay if it spills a little bit. That's okay. Pour the prepared red pigment water into the crater. Okay, you ready? Let's see. Go. Careful. Go, 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 go. Whoa, look at that go. Whoa, whoa. That overflowed everywhere.
I didn't get to see.
Oh, look, it's staining.
Oh my gosh, it's staining. It's staining. Oh my gosh. I didn't get to see it go everywhere.
Oh, it went everywhere. Okay, go ahead and look. Look around. Look on the other side of the volcano, hurry.
Oh my gosh, I saw it.
Was that cool?
It tastes good.
It tastes good. No, we're not gonna eat it. Hi everybody, thank you for checking out our second science experiment. If you guys didn't already see our crystal growing video, go and check that one out. And we got lots more coming up. This is number 2 out of about 260 different experiments. So we're very excited to share those with you. All right, everyone. Peace.
Goodbye, peace. We'll see you next one.